Hey, it's Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property that we closed on yesterday. It's a double in Orleans Parish in the West Carrollton, Leonidas area. So look, we bought it off the owner. It's a double. One side has a tenant in it, a Section 8 tenant, and this side was vacant. Just needs a little bit of work to get it ready for a new tenant. So obviously, it can be hard to sell a house when there's a tenant involved. It's hard to schedule inspections and show it, etc. And when you got a double, particularly, probably an investor's going to buy it anyway. So look, the owner reached out to us, just wanted to sell it fast, easy, all cash sale in as is condition. Didn't want to fix it up. So look, we did that. We purchased it all cash as is. We're going to make the last few things need to be fixed to get it tenanted. We tick on their tenant. They had time left on their lease, and we've now obligated to honor that lease, which we're going to do. So look, I'll show you around the house. So it's sort of like a classic New Orleans double. The floor here is pretty soft, so that's going to need to be fixed. Got a cupboard down. But it's not too bad, look, there's some holes, a few holes in the wall. That stove definitely needs a clean. This faucet needs to be replaced. Some of these tiles are cracked. Obviously you didn't clean the house, and that's fine, that's how we buy them. So, again, a few holes in the wall. Someone might have been angry in the house, I don't know. So look, yeah. So look, by our standards, this is pretty good condition actually, because we buy in any condition. So this isn't too bad at all from our perspective. But for a homeowner or someone on the retail market, this isn't really up to the standard, particularly with a tenant involved. So look, if you have a house you're looking to sell, maybe you don't want to make repairs, maybe you don't want to mess around, you just want a fast sale. We close on this one in 2 weeks. So